Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 2nd, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Tuesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Tuesday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about the radar view here. You can see I'm in Tennessee regions. As a cold front continues to move on off to the east, expect more severe thunderstorm warning along the Gulf Coast, up into the Carolinas, all the way up toward Virginia as well. Warm front extending offshore here, Michigan. Also Wisconsin. I hope everybody be able to hear me. This thing don't seem like it's working right. I hope everybody can hear what I'm saying. All right, we got a moderate risk of but as you can see, we got pretty much, there's the watches here from Ohio to Tennessee. Kentucky, Tennessee, Eastern Tennessee. Well, I might as well say much Tennessee, union areas of Mississippi, MS discussion, the MDS discussion that is. This is what I was talking about here concerning severe potential tornado watch likely will be pretty much right Alabama, Eastern Mississippi through Alabama. All right, as you can see here, we had several came in this afternoon. Wind report that came in this afternoon. Right in Tennessee, 2 in northern Alabama. We had 5 tornado reports. We had 2 in Tennessee. We had hail report. We had 25 of them, pretty much from western Tennessee, central Tennessee, and also eastern Louisiana and southern and western areas of Mississippi. Expect more of these storm reports between now and midnight tonight. After midnight tonight, they will start a new list of severe weather reports. Currently, we have no fire weather concerns. And also, if you do like these videos I post, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and also share the video. And I hope everybody had a wonderful, wonderful Tuesday evening out there. Any kind of free software that my computer might can download is a Windows 10. Y'all welcome to to shoot me. All right. Well, we might have to skip the Watches Warning Advisory map, I think, because I don't think it's even going to come up. So if it don't want to come up, we'll just move on to something else then. Since it don't want to move, since it don't. All right, we're at the triple HRRR model. This started at 8 p.m. currently. These are where the storms are currently located. That's what I was talking about, area low pressure up here, bringing snow to Minnesota. That's why the Storm Prediction Center circled that area there for heavy. All right, this is the 22Z, the HRRR model. Let's continue to move forward. We're going to try to stop it off at about 10 p.m. Hopefully, Mississippi. Got more activity moving through Alabama. This is 11 p.m. It finally updated. We got a line. If we can go a little further. Okay, this is stretching all the way through Pennsylvania down to eastern portion of Kentucky. Move on to the Great Lakes region from Iowa up into portion of northern Michigan. The cold front extending all the way. So here comes the heavier shower. And storms. All right, 6 a.m. The main squall. Most of the precipitation should be out of the area. With 8 a.m. Pretty much most of that will continue to push off east, and that should round it up. And the low pressure system still spinning up here. We got tight isobars. Expect a windy day tomorrow across much of the eastern United States, even portions of the central and northwest. Central and Great Lakes region of the U.S. as well. Let's go out a little further, see if we can round it up. That's the last frame. It's at midday tomorrow. The showers and storms still up here in portions of southeast Canada, Pennsylvania. Some showers up for New York State, for you guys as well for Vermont, New Hampshire, important New York. Map up one more time, and then we're going to take a look at the forecast for. Alright, we finally got it to work. Alright, so here on the triple HRRR model from New York State into northern Michigan, we have winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings there in effect as well. Also, we have some high wind warning, wind advisory there in the advisory across Florida, Kentucky, Tennessee, northern Alabama, northeast areas of Mississippi. Wind advisory is also in effect for portions of Illinois, Indiana, also in the portion of Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa, and also a portion of Missouri. Same down here toward Little. We have flood warnings, flash flood warnings in effect for portions of Ohio. We got ongoing severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings in effect from Ohio to portions of Kentucky. Was a statement for you guys down here in the areas. Special weather statements for you guys here in portions of Kentucky. I mean, not Kentucky, but Kansas, and also portion of Colorado. Same over here in portion of California, and also Nevada. Wind red flag warnings in portion of Texas, Hawaii and Chain Island, southwestern areas. Blizzard warning in Alaska, coastal areas. There's gale warning, small craft advisory, same from Washington State down to portion of California. Also from portions of Texas all the way to the west coast of Florida. Gale warnings. Then we're going to round up the video. Alright, we got general thunderstorm from Great Falls, portion of Montana to Belite, then to Boise, over toward Reddings, areas of California. General thunderstorms also from Albany, New York, Rochester, also down toward Bowling Green, Kentucky, Nashville, a little bit down toward Fort Myers, Miami area. Also, you're in the Marginal Risk, Fort Myers, Tallahassee, Columbia. You right on the borderline of the marginal slight risk area up to Washington, D.C., Baltimore. Then we got the slight risk area from portions of south of Washington, D.C. through Raleigh to Wilmington, right there near Columbia, Charleston, Savannah, down toward Jacksonville, Orlando, and Tampa. Slight risk for severe thunderstorm, tornado probability for tomorrow. Green near Richmond, down toward Jacksonville, toward Tampa, and also toward Orlando. 5% in the Outer Banks. This includes around Myrtle Beach, up toward Wilmington, also just east of Raleigh, up toward Virginia Beach as well. Winds will be the main concern, I think, with this here line. Yeah, pretty much there's the 5% in the brown from Tallahassee to Richmond, from Virginia Beach to Raleigh, Columbia, Wilmington, Charleston, Savannah, Jacksonville, down to Orlando, Tampa. You're in the 15% risk for damaging winds. And let's take a look at the large hail. Pretty much from Baltimore, Washington, Columbia, down to Tallahassee. You're in the 5%. If you're in Richmond, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Raleigh, Wilmington, maybe over toward Florence, Columbia, just east of Columbia, toward Sumter area, toward Charleston, Savannah, Jacksonville, Orlando, Tampa, you're in the 15% risk for large hail in your vicinity. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Hope everybody can hear it. Sorry for the audio and stuff like that. This old computer, if like I said, if anybody knows any software I can use, that would be great. Well, I hope everybody enjoys it. Stay safe and well. We'll catch you back in the next video. So take care, and and uh, and we'll catch you. And have a